rumbling. I'm not liking this now. I'm really not liking it. There's a real, I'm surrounded with completely pitch black. I can't see my hand. Ooh. Come on. Come on, show yourself to me! Make a noise! There he is again. And again. Is there someone here? Is there anybody here with me now? Please. Is there life after death? Are there such things as ghosts? Just been told that in the studio they've heard heavy breathing. Okay. Say your name to me. Say your name to me, shout your name or show yourself in light form. Move something. Push the table across the floor, across the stage. What is that? What is that? Is that a shadow? What is that? I can't work out what it is. It's like a head shape, but I'm not quite sure. I'm sure there's a logical explanation. Can you tap, please? Tap on the floor where I am if you're around me now. Please, please, please tap on the floor. Oh my God, what is that? Oh, it's me. Oh, it's me. Hi. Oh God. Oh God. There's noises down the bottom of the auditorium. I can hear them. Right, come on, you show yourself. Come on, show yourself to me. I can hear you. I can hear you, I know you're here. Sounds to me like you're quite a rude gentleman. Show yourself to me or do something. Do something now. Push the table over if you can. Push the table over. Go on. I didn't mean to call you a but please, I just want you to do something for me. There's me again. I know the audience are watching in the studio and everybody, what would we give, all of us, if that wasn't my shadow? Flipping hell, that would be good. Come on. Come on, just one last thing. I'm going to go in a second. One last thing. Knock on the floor like you did before. Why can't you do that now? Move one of the seats. There's definitely movement here. I'm not so scared now. I'm alright. Oh no, I am. There's somebody here. I've just heard creaking on the floor. Right, I need to join the others now. Yeah. Can someone please come and get me? There's somebody in here, Andy. I'm not kidding you.
All right,
there's creaking going on the.
Okay. Right. Would you want to move out of here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to come back here with others because it was really freaky.
David's outside in a holding area.
Okay. All right.
Take it outside then. Yeah?
Okay.
Yvette, can you just explain exactly what you were seeing?
Ever since I've been in here, I've seen flashes of light. But what gets me on that stage is I know there's nobody below me, and yet I'm distinctly hearing creaking ever so subtly, like someone is creeping towards me and around me.
And you definitely can hear that?
That's what I'm hearing. Pardon?
You can definitely hear those noises?
Yeah, I definitely can. It's like, you know when there's somebody in a room with you. You know, and there's somebody here there's somebody on that stage. There's somebody in there.
I hate to say this, but will you go and
really
investigate?
violent.
Could we ask you to go and investigate? Go. Okay. What was that noise, Yvette? What was the noise?
I don't know. I have to get David down here.
Okay.